Hello friends, welcome back to our channel on Chima Dedicated Video Channel. Here is the latest update from Pi Network. So for pioneers, please pay attention. You can see there's a 160,000 Pi's free on the graph. Yes, 160,000 Pi on the graph for now. But then you need to understand the conditions, what you need to do to be part of it. So you can see our Pi Hackathon 2025 registration begins now. This is quite open for every member of the Pi network. That's every pioneer. Now I'm going to quickly take time and read through this. Let's read together so that I understand fully what it takes to be part of this. Ensure you share this with any community where you belong, where you can have Pi members, pioneers. Now let me quickly open up and read clearly. So I look at it. Pi Hackathon 2025 enhanced Pi utility in the open network era, and it has a price of 160,000 Pi. It says Pi Network is excited to launch Pi Hackathon 2025, the ecosystem's first hackathon after the launch of Open Network. This hackathon invites developers to build and deploy meaningful Pi apps that empower real-world utility using Pi and help shape the ecosystem and compete for a chance to win up to 160,000 Pi in total prizes. Open Network's external connectivity presents the opportunity to build upon the current utility of Pi through practical apps that deliver real use cases and utility for everyday users, including those who have never mined Pi. Now, these are most important areas you need to listen to. So following the app building momentum from Pi Day 2 to Day 2025, this hackathon encourages developers. Remember there was the last update that talked about how you can use Pi to build an app. So if you're able to do that at that time, this is exactly an advantage. This is part of what we're talking about. That encourages developers to create tools, apps, and experiences that make Pi more usable and accessible across the world. Now look at the challenge. Build a Pi app that promotes the use of Pi. Anything that helps to promote the use of Pi. When you talk about utility, you're talking about the use of Pi. You can see there are a lot of Pi apps now that have been built where people can recharge their mobile phones through using Pi. So this is exactly the kind of thing the system is talking about. So when I read, I need to explain for you to understand. Now, anything app that promotes the use of Pi by encouraging and enabling people to engage within the ecosystem. It could be games within the app. This hackathon features a general open-ended theme to invite broad creativity. Your app can focus on any use case as long as it follows the mainnet listing requirements and brings free utility to the Pi community. Developers are encouraged to 1. Be creative by innovating based on real user needs. 2. Take advantage of community contribution by building an open source project using Pi open source. Number 3. Use Pi App Studio and the Brainstorm apps as starting points to transform early ideas into full-featured apps. And number 4. Use AI technologies, including coding assistance, to support the development and iteration of the apps. Now, what are the prizes? The winning teams will receive the following prizes. First prize, 75,000 Pi. Second prize, 45,000 Pi. Third prize, 15,000 Pi. Then honorable mentions up to 5 teams, 5,000 Pi each. How do you participate? To join this, register using the official hackathon registration form. That's if you can just click here now and join the email list to receive updates. Build and collaborate with your team using Pi App Studio, the developer portal, and shared resources. The timeline is August 15. That's registration starts and team formation begins. August 15, which is just yesterday. Participants can register for the hackathon and begin forming or joining teams. August 21, hackathon officially begins. Formal kickoff of the hackathon. September 19, midpoint checking. Teams are encouraged to submit a midpoint check form. Projects that submit may receive additional mentorship, potential exposure to the Pi community, and fast feedback ahead of final judgment. Then final judgment submission deadline comes on October 15th. All final submissions are due, including the app listing via developer portal, demo videos, and submission form. So you just go through this and read the most important other prompts here. So every other thing here is what I just read. Submit the hackathon submission Google form to be shared closer to the deadline with your demo video and all that. Submit your app in the Pi developer portal. So this is so if you are someone who's already a developer, you are in the app development and all that, it's a very good one. One thing about life, you might say, oh, a lot of people are going to be involved. Yes, a lot of people are going to be involved. They're going to have first prize, second prize, third prize, and all these other prizes. And you could be the one to win it. Yes, it's a very big one. Remember, the app you also build is your app. It's for your own app. You can also gain a lot of things through it. Those of them who have already built app to recharge, people who recharge their phone, they gain something from that app too. So you can build an app that profits you and at the same time gain from Pi Network. So it's a very big one. Even if you think you are not qualified for this, you don't have a team to do this, please share this video so that those who will be interested will definitely partake in this. I'm going to stop at this point. If this video makes sense, please share as well as give it a thumbs up. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and make sure you set up your notification. Very important, because I'm going to bring more of that as long as this is concerned. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.